This is gonna be like, oh, why is it all set up? This is gonna be the best video ever. And because I'm short of time, I know I'm gonna make 0 bloopers and just like put the thing up. Be able to upload it like today. That joke's still funny to me every time. Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here for one of my favorite videos, which is a Thredup rescue box unboxing video. This is the women's mixed clothing, 25 pounds, I think it is. I always get confused if it's 25 items or 25 pounds, but it works out to be around 25 items for $65 plus $5.99 shipping. I'm gonna open it up while we're talking. I really have no business making a video right now because I've got clients later and I should be getting prepped. But I want to open this Thredup rescue box. It's one of my favorite things to do. I buy this stuff and I turn around and resell it on eBay, Poshmark, and Thredup. I clean up a lot of this stuff and I send it back to Thredup. So they're really fun. This one is from Arizona. I live in Northern California, so Arizona is where normally most of my boxes come from. Well, the last box I got was from Pennsylvania, so I was a little nervous, and it turned out to be one of my best boxes. So you can check out that video. They always put one piece of tissue paper on the top for some reason. And here we go. It looks, I'm going to show you, I'll show you like the first pile of things, like some pretty prints and stuff. It's all just thrown in here, rolled up like this. You never know what you're gonna get. You don't know if it's stuff that Thredup rejected. You don't know if it's stuff that, you know, someone had it for sale on the site and it didn't sell in 30 days or 60 days and they didn't reclaim it, so it ended up in a box, which is good for me. I love this print, so I'm going for this thing first. This is like, it's a dress, but look at the colors. I'm filming this in November 2021, so I'm all about thinking about fall and winter for my reselling business. I don't see a brand on this, but look how cute. This is so peasant, boho, even kind of cottagecore style. I just don't see, oh, here we go. Universal thread. Why am I laughing? Because Universal Thread is sold at Target, and I just love this brand. Don't knock the Target brands. I can probably still sell this for like 15, 18 bucks. It's an extra small, so it won't go for a lot, but I sell Target brands and I love them. Target makes like really cute, stylish stuff. Here's some fitness leggings. I don't know much about this brand. Do you guys? L-O-L-E, Lowly, or I have no idea. I don't usually pick it up. I've got it a few times and sat on it, but this is a pair of women's black skinny fitness leggings. They've got some mesh cutouts, so that's what you want for fitness stuff. You know, that's what sells for me. Skinny leggings in fitness stuff. So that's what I'm always looking for. I just opened an amazing Jomar Wholesale athletic box. It was boutique athletic, so you pay a little bit more for that one because it's like higher end. Check out that video. I was really happy with that box, and now I feel like I'm gonna be all set when December, January rolls around and everyone starts going back to the gym and wants to get healthy and starts buying their fitness stuff again. This is J. Crew. Those little dots on there mean that it's like J. Crew factory. This is cute though. A blue silky blouse with a big bell sleeve. I always love that. It's probably polyester, but you can hope that it's silk. I don't see a tag right off, so I'm going to assume polyester. Now, I won't send that back to Thredup. J. Crew sells fine for me on Thredup, but on Thredup's website, they distinguish between J. Crew and J. Crew Factory, and they just do not price the factory stuff up high enough at all, so my payout is way too low. Let me know in the comments your experience with Thredup rescue boxes. I've been buying them for years. Sometimes they're amazing. I mean, the last one I got just kind of blew my mind, and sometimes they're duds, and that's just the way it goes. I like the women's mixed clothing box. Which boxes do you guys get? All right, I don't know what this symbol is for fitness. I think I've seen it out a lot and I've probably looked it up, but there's no tag. These are some women's kind of gray, skinny fitness activewear, and they've got this ruched ankle, so that's cute, but I don't think that brand is anything great. Just a friendly reminder to please subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. Then you'll know when I go live or when a new video comes out. Thanks, friends. Thank you. This is Wild Fable, which is another Target brand. Now, this is Wild Fable. It's a teeny little crop top, but this is really, really on trend. People are wearing this and then maybe like an oversized flannel unbuttoned on top of it. So I can probably still get like 10 or 12 bucks. It's a size large. This, to me, this color and print makes me think this could be a little bit dated. It's Banana Republic size 0. Now, this is the sort of thing I would send into Thredup. It's actually really cute. It's just a, you know, this is a great little fun dress, but it's very like spring or summer colors. But this is the sort of thing I like sending into Thredup now, because for me to sell a Banana Republic size 0 dress, it's just a hard sell. Very small sizes. I'm not going to make that much profit selling it myself on eBay or Poshmark, so I'll then send it into Thredup. They'll probably only give me a few dollars for it, but that's okay. That's one of the ways I'm really using Thredup right now. This feels awesome. This is Anne Klein, and it's really cool, actually. It's like a sweater knit, but look at the hemline. See how it's asymmetrical? So this is pretty cool. I don't see a size tag, and Thredup won't take your stuff, even if you send it in, and this is like a modern piece. It looks really nice, actually, but it has no size tag, so they won't mess with it. So I'll have to sell that myself. I'm getting a lot of leggings in here, so that's cool. These must be plus size, because these are a black printed high-waisted legging. Really cute. They feel good, but they are quite a large size. I don't see any name brand, so they could, I don't know what that means. I could search around in the pockets and all sorts of things. They feel like good quality. They could just be from Amazon or something. I have no idea. Like, I look on the leg to see if there's anything there. So we'll have to deal with that. Look at, hello, this is so neon. When I list this, I'll probably put like 80s, 90s neon yellow. I don't even know what this brand is. C-A-L-S, Cals. Never heard of it. This will probably just like maybe get redonated or something unless I learn something about that brand. Oh yes, we always have the career skirts. This is H&M, size US 8. A women's black pencil, because it's quite a good length there. Career skirt. H&M is not something that sells well for me, and it's not a brand that Thredup will even pay out for, like fast fashion brands. What do you guys do with your fast fashion? Fast fashion brands are things like H&M, Forever 21, you know, some of these brands that are inexpensive and they make fast, trendy, cheap fashion, like Shein. What do you guys do with that stuff? Because as a reseller, you might get some in mystery boxes or something. Do you sell it yourself and sell it really cheap? Do you bring it to Plato's Closet or one of those other buy, sell, trade stores? Do you send it into Thredup? How do you deal with it? This is cute. This is another, I think, fast fashion brand, Kato. It's a size large. It's on the brand list that Thredup doesn't take. But it's just a boxy kind of cable net sweater. So super cute and on trend. Okay, this box might need to get a little bit better. And this is Marona from Target. Size small, tank top. I was going to say animal print, but I don't even know if that's what it is. Let's pray now for Quemby that she gets some fantastic stuff. My last box was one of the best boxes ever, and so far this box, not so great. Lots of Target, lots of lower end brands. Sanctuary, I like this brand actually. It doesn't resell that great. Can you see it there? What's up with my Sanctuary clothing? It's a size extra small. I actually like the styles and stuff that this brand makes. This is like a little mini skirt, and it's textured, knit, kind of like a tweed. A sweater. I'm moving kind of quick because, oh my god, look at this hole. Like, really? Hi guys. It's got a giant hole in it, and it's by Say What USA, so that's like trash. Silence and Noise. I believe this is like, is this Urban Outfitters, you guys? Silence and Noise. Now this is a blazer, a nice neutral colored blazer, so that might do okay. But that brand, I'm probably still only gonna get like 15 or 20 bucks. Cute though. Ooh, a jacket. Yes, Absolute Comfort. Is this a spelling error? Like, it's not absolute comfort. It's, oh my god, this has got to be some like total knockoff thing. Absolute Comfort. It should be Absolute Comfort, but it's like spelled all wrong. Is that right? This is a women's kind of heavyweight black jacket. I don't know. I'll look it up, but it seems maybe a little bit cheap to me, but we'll see. I'd love to be wrong. We've got a Junior's Boho tank top. Cute little print, but it's by Mud, which... So what I think I'm going to have to do with this stuff, guys, I haven't done this in a while, is I think I will box stuff up and take it to like Forever 21 and just try and get whatever I can for like some of these Junior brands and Target brands. This is cute. A ribbed women's tank top with this hem detail, and it's by something called Heart and Hips Affordable Luxury. We shall see. If I learn anything about this brand or anything, I will put it up there for you. Oh no, we're almost to the end of the box, and this was like not a good box, you guys. Hate to say. This is Zara, so that's pretty good. It's a jacket, and it's a women's size medium, but it does not look good. It looks like a faux suede leather long jacket, which could be good. I'll have to throw it in the wash. There's sort of like, it's a weird material and it looks like everything is stuck to it. I don't know. That might be one of the best items in the box and it's not in good shape. Listen, for all you people that like to make claims and say, Quemby, you always get the best Thredup boxes. They must know who you are. They don't know who I am. I get great boxes. This is a meh box. And I get not so great boxes. It's just the way it goes. A New Day. This is Target as well. I was really hoping for some stuff in here that I could send back to Thredup. This is cute. It's just a shift dress in a really beautiful blue color with a balloon sleeve. That might look really good on. I see some Old Navy in here, so not good. I mean, I like Old Navy personally, but not from reselling perspective. Old Navy Active, the Elevate legging. I might just keep those. They have that cell phone pocket. No, these look pretty big. They have that side cell phone pocket, which I would definitely note in my title and description because people love that cell phone pocket. Another A New Day. This is the Target box, friends. This is super cute. This is so cute, this dress. It has all this smocking at the neckline. And then like a nice bell sleeve, little tie waist. Super cute color. That's adorable. But I can probably get 10, 15 bucks plus shipping. This is new with tags from Ross. It was $10.99 and it's timing. And it is a bodysuit. Ooh, it's kind of neat. This is a sexy bodysuit because this is all mesh. And then I don't know if this is considered lingerie. Like, does someone actually wear that out? I don't know. Alrighty, and then we've got Tommy Hilfiger size XL. I'll send this back to Thredup. It's a comfy hooded sweatshirt. Women's blue and white striped hooded sweatshirt by Tommy Hilfiger. That's not a brand that moves so great for me, but Thredup takes it, so they're gonna get it. Ooh! Ending with a really good piece. Soft Surroundings. I love this brand. Soft Surroundings, and it is new without tags because the button bag is still attached. And this is a gorgeous velvet long tunic. This is so Soft Surroundings, but it's a size extra small. And extra small is hard to sell. So I'll see how I do. So I would say that's a very mediocre box. Will I make my money back? Maybe, but it's gonna be in a lot of like Target brand stuff or lower end stuff, just making like $5 profit here and there to pay for the box. Some are amazing. I have many amazing ones up on the channel if you want to check them out. This one, not so great. It happens to the best of us. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, friends. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye. Keep pulling on this shirt because I don't know, it's like riding up. Water. Let me know. It is. It's funny to me. This looks weird. Let's just get into it. So let's just try saying fast fashion a few times.